with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's not.
So, first exercise nga pala natin is pec deck. So, nakadalawang warm-up sets na tayo. And, tatlo. Actually, isang working sets pa. And then, last set tayo. Di siya heavy, so hypertrophy lang. So, let's go.
I'm not selfish, I get on and put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals, money pals, money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line.
So, what's up YouTube? My name is Dioren, or Dominant Dioren here online. So, I'm currently 4th year college right now, 23 years old, and nag-umpisa ako magbuhat. Actually, sabay kami ng videographer natin ngayon since pandemic. So, that is way back to 2020. So, yun, and then nahinto ko. And, syempre, other reasons, nagkaroon tayo ng financial or budget shortage, and then bumalik. So, primary reason why kaya kami nag-start dito sa fitness journeys because nagsimula yun sa heartbreak talaga. Tapos, fast forward, hindi namin namamalayan, naging coping mechanism na namin yun. So, hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin, and then, mas may biggest purpose, naging lifestyle na namin siya. So, tapos tayo first exercise, pec deck. Second is dumbbell incline. So, increasing lang tayo since ngayon na lang ulit tayo dumayo sa gym dito sa Dasma.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling.
Alright, what made you finally commit to join in this kind of competition?
Okay. So, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? Way back pandemic, nag-start kami dahil lang sa heartbroken reason. So, that time kasi parang I hate the way I look, I present myself. Kaya, bigla akong pumasok sa gym ng no reason, syempre. But, deep inside, gusto ko lang talaga magbago externally. But as time goes by, years of lifting, training, so may isa akong realization na parang binigyan ako ni Lord ng greater purpose. Syempre, number one doon is to take care of my body and getting serious about it. And this time, feel ko na this year will be different. Kasi, alam mo yun, binigyan tayo ng blessings ni Lord. So, dapat gamitin natin ng maayos. And syempre, maximize. Kaya, I just want to reach new height or challenge myself physically. Syempre, mentally na rin. Kung hanggang saan tayo aabutin. So, third exercise natin is high to low cable flies. Emphasis lang siya ng mid to lower chest natin. So, 3 sets lang tayo dito. Increasing hanggat kaya nating i-maintain yung intensity ng workout. Okay. Let's go.
To my sins, I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro.
So how do you feel right now, man?
Okay. So, up to date, we are currently 6 weeks out from first competition na sasalihan natin sa All Genesis Novice. And my time, syempre, hindi naman mawala yun na parang it's not enough. Kahit pakiramdam mo all out ka na every single time, wala ka namang na-miss na workouts, na protocols, na syempre may gagawin ka pa outside of your life. But at the same time, on the other side, I'm happy na ito yung pinili kong path, na even though hindi ko pa alam yung magiging outcome, but syempre I'm still enjoying sa current process na ginagawa natin. So this is bodybuilding, this is happiness. Let's go.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro.
Alright, so what's the hardest part of this journey so far that people don't see?
Para sa akin, yung pinaka-hardest part is not the workout itself. Para sa akin, yung hardest when you are in journey like this is, kunyari, you are alone with your thoughts and you are thinking na hindi palaging enough yung palaging effort na pinoproduce mo, even though you are producing or doing your 100%. And syempre, di maiwasan is to compare yourself to others. Pero, in a first thought lang yun, syempre. And, ito yung side na you can't really show this on this side online. Alam mo yun, you just carry it and keep going anyway. Okay, so, last workout natin is leg raise. So, last set na lang tayo.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me.
Stepping on stage or doing this kind of prep is more than just like a physical aspect for me. It's more like sa akin, it's more like a proof that I didn't quit or give up on myself. So when that time comes, show day, manalo or matalo man ako, isa lang yung alam ko, that moment is mine. So in that span of 5 months of preparation, susulitin natin yan. And maybe that's the reason why we're doing this.
Do you have any messages to your supporters out there?
Okay, so super grateful ako. Hindi pa nagsisimula yung show a month before. Ang dami nang gustong sumama or pumunta, manood, magpakita ng support. Taga Las Piñas, Dasma, Bacoor, family and friends. So, I will give this Bible verse to you. 1 Corinthians 10 verse 31. So, whether you eat, drink, or whatever you do in life, do it for the glory of God. And remember our motto, anticipate, dominate.
I'm feeling like my old self again. Renewed, recharged, refocused, with nothing to stop me from being me.
Okay.